Hello everyone. My name is Dominga Ana Archaba, and here is my sample workshop layout for Masonry NC2. So, here is my workshop layout. As you can see, we come now to the core competencies. So, in core competencies, I only have two. Number one, concrete hollow blocks for structure, and number two, plaster wall surface. So, how this layout reflects the principle on competency-based training. So number one, practical work areas promotes learning by doing. So from the keyword learning by doing, it goes from the principle number 7 of the CBT, which is training is based both on and off the job component. So next one, my workshop supports different ways of learning. So here naman po, it goes with the principle number 3, which is training delivery is learner-centered and should accommodate individualized and self-paced learning strategies. So, another po, my workshop has training materials provided. So, from the word training materials, it goes with the principles number 5, which is training materials either are directly related to the competency standard and curriculum modules. So, dito po sa workshop ko, yung mga materials na ginagamit dito is aligned po sa Masonry NC2 like hollow blocks and other materials po. So, next one, assessment area provides assessment to the trainees' finished work. So, dito po nagkakaroon ng assessment and then it also goes to the principles number 6, which is assessment is based in the collection of evidence of the performance of work to the industry required standard. So, last one, my workshop has different stations for different skills. So, from different skills po, it goes with the principles number 4, which is training is based on work that must be performed. So, we come now to the next slide, the rational arrangement of workshop facilities. So, number one, it starts and ends at the door. So, the entrance and exit isn't just a door. So, when you walk in, you immediately see the waiting area and institutional assessment area. So, this help you to mentally switch into a student mode and prepare you for the day's task. So, di ba po, kapag pumapasok tayo sa isang lugar, especially in school, nagiging formal yung kilos natin kasi alam natin na schools yan. So, we come now to the next. My workshop is in a teaching triangle. So, where areas forms a triangle learning. So, this triangle of learning consists of materials and tools that we need to work with, and also it has knowledge. So dito sa knowledge, pumapasok naman dito yung computer laboratories and training centers that consist of informations and guidance that we need to do such work. So, next one, how core competency is represented in the layout. So, in the first core competency, which is concrete hollow blocks and structure, I use these icons, which is hollow blocks and measurement. So this competency goes in the practical work area, such as establishing vertical and horizontal guides, performing laying of concrete hollow blocks, and performing jointing process. So, next one is plastering wall surface. So, dito naman, I use icons such as sponge and water. So, this represents of plastering wall surface. So, this is also done in the practical work area. So this isn't just a random arrangement of rooms. So it's a carefully planned space that supports every step of learning, a hands-on trade from your first day to your final assessment, making the entire process feel natural and effective. So that would be all. Thank you.